Final question with Bailey, the youngster from Sheffield. What qualities did you see in that makes you think, I think this can add something different to what we have with our strike force at this moment?
Well, firstly, he's like Kaim Dixon. He has got goals written all over him. So in his youth career, he scored a lot of goals. For me as a striker, what catches my eye is that he's really hard-working. He takes constant run in behind defenses. He's a good link-up player. He's clever using spaces, and his technique is really good. So I think he has all the attributes that a good striker should have. But he's still young, like Kaim Dixon. So I think it's good for him to get to know the players, come into the squad. We can evaluate him in this camp. So I'm looking really forward to seeing him, what he can deliver and give us on the training session, and hopefully he can be a surprise when he starts to play. But for sure, a future player for us.